How to convert XML to PDF. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily convert XML file to PDF file. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up any browser on your device and then search for XML to PDF. You have to search for this exact phrase, and then after you search for the XML to PDF, you have to go to this link pdfcandy.com, and then here tap on add file, then tap on files and select the XML file, and after selecting wait for it to upload and convert, and after it is uploaded and converted you will see download file button. You have to tap on it and then tap on download, and then after the file is downloaded it will ask you to open with the PDF file viewer. So you have to tap on any app from which you want to view the PDF file, and your XML file will look like this. And so this is how you can convert your XML to PDF. Thanks for watching.